Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe, it's free, and click on bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. You can also share our video with your friends. Uzoiyi Festival. Uzoiyi Festival is celebrated in commemoration of Idemili River, the river where the Abidi and the Urewe communities draw their water. It is also emphasized that the river is a segment of a long tributary of the Niger that connects almost all the Idemili local government towns, which each having a different name. The tributary of the Niger between Idani and Umuoji town is called Mili Obiaja. At Ojoto, it is called Mili John, and in Oruku, it is called Nwacha. In Alo town, it is called Mili Okide or Mili Alo, and in Umuoji, it is called Ida Ulu and Amala Ocha, respectively. And at Obosi, it gained famous and called Idemili Obosi, through which it enters the river Niger. Therefore, the origin of the festival, according to the oral tradition, was not known but dated as far back as 15th century, precisely 600 days ago. Some believe the festival to be as old as the town. The festival was associated with women as the major celebrants. They are the brain behind keeping the pathways that lead to the Idemili River clean. Since it is celebrated along the river track, not only women celebrate, artisans and farmers also celebrate. In the contemporary time, the quest for tourism boom has enhanced renowned festivals such as the Agongo in Sokoto and the Osun-Osogbo Cultural Festival to have modified their festival to an international standard. Hence, Uzoiyi is another rich masquerade festival that has international quality which needs to be retouched by government due to tourism action. Instead of celebrating to appease gods of the river and the rainfall, so as to send plenteous water during the farming season, as it did in the past, is now celebrated on a particular day, specifically any Sunday in March that will be Oka Afo. The change is to incorporate everybody, both far and near, to suit with the modernity. The world today is not static, hence Igbo cultural festivals are also as no longer static. The fastest way to destroy tradition is to leave it untouched. Also observe a rich cultural heritage to be timed with modernity. The celebration of Uzoiyi Festival. Uzoiyi Festival is a festival of unity, peace and harmony among the entire Umuoji community. It is a festival that is used to ignite the noble stride of Idemili River, where the community draws its water, just like the Osun-Osogbo Festival. The event of Uzoiyi Festival also starts with the preliminary that ushers the main festival in the grand finale. The preliminary starts with activities such as Ayaka Masquerade, being a nocturnal masquerade. Other minor masquerades also featured during the preliminary periods. Nocturnal masquerade performed the function of entertaining people late into the night with the rain a whole month, which was second moonlight. That day in February. In that month, Ayaka reminds people that Uzoiyi feast was near. Men without dwelling and those wishing to repair their houses did so by use of Ayaka. It was the duty of the nocturnal masquerade to convert the already cut grass to their benefactors. They also transport plugs and woods, all through, although strictly on request. This activity stands the nocturnal masquerade as an agent of mobilization and peace since it does not take money for job executed. Still in the preliminary enhancement as the minor masquerade, it has the function of sweeping people's compound, cutting down palm fruit, entertains by dance, and their charge awaits them at the end. Another one is soothsayer, that's the fortune teller. Their role is to inform or by a town crier that is moving around the town publicizing the impending festival. These are caught relatives from the neighboring town as well as relatives from within and abroad the chance to visit their relation in Umuoji. The Uzoiyi Festival is a festival of hospitality and friendly. It also breeds cleanliness, and despite aesthetic value, they always keep their house clean by decorating with camwood dye The preliminary events also feature other human activities apart from nocturnal and minor masquerade function. Prior to the month of March, which is the month of grand finale, the month of February acts as the preparatory month. It's always the period when people prepare the food by giving an invitation to their friends, in-law, relatives, and neighbors. They also amend their old building to wear a new look. The preliminaries of the Uzoiyi Masquerade Festival commence in the month of the first week of March yearly. It normally takes 3 days, namely first Friday, first Saturday, and first Sunday. In the past, the aim is to appease the gods for a successful and plenteous farming season. The chief priest of Idemili always officiates to the earth goddess, which offering such as yam, chicken, and kola nuts. The fun lasts for 1 month, however. These days, due to the influence of modernity, Uzoiyi has advanced a lot. The take off stage, being Friday, ushers in the priest of Idemili to seal off the stream from the fetching of water by the community. By so doing, the priest of Idemili Shrine makes an oblation and offers sacrifice in the stream. According to ethnographical resource stream, the rite of passage is to please and supplicate the Idemili deity for abundance of rain in the day.